Hey, what's up? Sam here. This is Tronsmart's newest active noise cancelling earbuds, the Apollo Air. I've been using them for the last couple of weeks, and I've got to say they are the best active noise cancelling earbuds under $100 that I've ever had. They are super comfortable to wear and have an incredible sound. Let's have a look. From my years of experience in the earbuds industry, there are several factors to make a good pair of noise cancelling earbuds. First, of course, is the comfort. This is the simplest yet most important criterion of any pair of earphones. Though highly subjective, factors such as weight, shape, and the overall dimension play a role in comfort. The Apollo Air earbuds weigh only 4.3 grams each. They are really lightweight. You basically don't feel a thing when you put them in your ears. It also provides 2 extra ear tips for you to choose from. As for the design, I know you would probably say it's Apple-like. Well, in recent years I've tried all kinds of shapes of earbuds, and some of them are really unique and Apple-unlike in design. You know what? Generally, Apple-like earbuds have better comfort and a sluggy fit. Not easily to fall off your ears. So yeah, I'm really okay with the design as long as they can provide a good wearing experience. Second is the noise cancellation. This is obvious, right? If it's a pair of active noise cancelling earbuds, definitely need to provide good noise cancellation. According to Tronsmart, the Apollo Air can eliminate up to 35 decibels of noise from all frequency range. From my days of heavy testing, even without playing music, engine and traffic sounds are heavily reduced and voices are way less audible. It's hands down the best option to block sounds from your TV or other noises that you don't want to hear. Costing $69.99 on Geekbuying, they offer this strong active noise cancelling both inside and outdoors. I really cannot complain about it. Third is the sound quality. The Apollo Air earbuds give you an engaging, boosted bass and full sound, very suitable for background listening on your work day. I personally really like it. I just put a few sound testing clips here so you can check them out.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Even more impressive, the app brings 8 different sounding crises to the earphones, so you can always choose whatever genre you want for your music. In the app, you can also assign different gestures to each earbud. I like the way that it gives you full control of everything. For others, like the battery life, there is 5 hours of battery life on a single charge to support you before needing a recharge via the case. The case itself can recharge via USB-C and provides a total 20 hours of playtime. The wireless connection is Bluetooth 5.2. It's lightning fast and stable. For call quality, it's good and clear with outside or indoors thanks to its advanced CVC 8.0 noise cancelling technology. Check it out. So I'm now out of the metro and testing the call quality of the Apollo Air. So I'm now in the room.
Yes.
Please let me know if you can hear me clearly because here is kind of noisy.
Very clear.
It's IP45 dustproof and waterproof, perfect for those who want to enjoy music while exercising. I guess I got everything covered from my weeks of heavy using. The Apollo Air is the most comprehensive pair of affordable wireless ANC earbuds under $100. It has good active noise cancelling, excellent sound quality, and comes with a free app full of useful options. The Apollo Air also offers solid battery life, build quality, and comfort. I truly recommend them. At the time of recording this video, Tronsmart has also pulled out another Air Plus version. Compared to the Air, it supports wireless charging, in-ear detection, aptX adaptive technology, and of course, better build quality. Others stay the same. If you are interested in these two earbuds, please check out the link in the description or on the screen. I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next one.